What is it that's driving people to purchase and buy? Is it the facts about the products, or is it people's emotional attachment? What's your perspective on that?
So people will always buy and respond out of emotion. It's always emotion driven. And sadly, the majority of those emotions is pain. So people will buy in a way to avoid pain. So
Right.
they're buying in a way to move away from pain. So a classic example, and not a nice example, would be drugs. People buy drugs to get out of their head to avoid the pain of their life.
Mm.
So
So
that's a
how do?
horrible example of it. But in terms of the buying structure or the buying
Yeah.
format that most people work in, I guess when the doctor says to you, you are morbidly obese, unless you do something about your weight, you're going to die. That is a bloody good motivation to do
Yeah.
something about your health and weight.
Yeah.
So
Absolutely.
yeah, so
Absolutely.
that's what it is really, and I mean, in terms of the world that we're currently in, people are having to face issues like that. They're having to face the issues that going outside potentially could lead them into problems, and so they are doing things. So that's why the panic buying came in at the moment, because people did not want to engage with the world. They want to get their stuff and pull the drawbridge up.
Mm. Great observation.